How to retrieve archived emails in Gmail. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you to find the archived mails in Gmail. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. So without any much ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, launch your Gmail application on your device and sign into your particular account where you want to retrieve your archived emails in Gmail. So simply when you land on this kind of interface, tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. But before that, let me show you a demo by archiving an email. So you can simply swipe towards the right of any particular email and send them to archive. So in order to find it, tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. On this left panel, you will get all mail option. Select it. And here you will get different kinds of mails that are all mails. So simply how to identify or find the archived mails in your Gmail. When you scroll to the bottom or when you start scrolling, you will find different kinds of mails that has inbox labeled. So the mails that do not have the inbox labeled, those are the archived mails. So simply here are different kinds of mails that have the inbox labeled. So the emails or the messages that you received on your Gmail which do not have inbox labeled, those are your archived mails. So in order to archive them, you can simply tap and hold that particular email, select three dots at top right corner and select move to inbox. And after that, when you check to your all inboxes, you will get back those email. So here it is. So that's how we can easily find archived mails in Gmails. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.